Hello class! Today I just wanted to show you how to use the Jamboard, which is the whiteboard in online class. So what you have to do is I'm going to ask you to go to the chat box and click the link. So what you have to do is move your mouse to the chat icon here where we can type stuff in, and you click the link that I sent you. It will be in blue in color, very likely, and it's got lots of letters with underline. So click on that, then it'll carry you to another place, and here it is. It's our whiteboard. So we have functions here just like the seesaw. We have the pen, we have the eraser, we have the move button, and we have all sorts of options here. So hello, welcome to the Jamboard, which is the whiteboard. Wow, I'm so good at writing, huh? Okay, so guys, that's it. When you want to move back to the Google Meet, all you have to do is move up. This is where you are. See, this color is whiter than other tabs. Now, go to Google Meet. It says Meet and the red circle. So click on that. Then you come back to the Google Meet class. So this is the Jamboard.